JayDUB
and the family.
Alright, you guys, two things you need to get a nail out your tire: hammer or some pliers, baby, needle nose, and some Windex. This is pretty dirty because it's been down in my toolbox. But look at that. We got a nail sticking up out the tire right there on the sidewall, which is the side of the tire, which is not good. You want it in your tread area right here. So what we're gonna do is pull this nail out right quick. So I got the hammer. This may work, it may not because the hammer's so big. Oh, it did. Check that out. Got it out. I don't even hear no air when I listen to it, but we're gonna double check it. Got the nail. Always check your tires, you guys, even on your cars. And we're just gonna spray it with the Windex. Why spray it with the Windex, Jay? Because if it start bubbling out, it's gonna tell you if you punctured the tire. And by it being on the sidewall, we just have to get a new tire. As you see, there ain't no bubbles. You know what I'm saying? It's just nice and clean. So that's what you want, man. Matter of fact, I missed the whole damn hole. Oh, it's right here. But ain't no bubbles, so we good, man. Always check your tires, man. Check your equipment, bro. You know what I'm saying? You'll be surprised what you find sometimes, man. And you want to catch it before it gives you an even bigger problem. These tires on this truck is like $400 a piece. I ain't trying to pay $400 for a tire yet, you guys. Anyway, this is maintenance with your boy JayDUB. Yeet. Subscribe, support, and stay tuned.